Lena, you're up. What are we doing? Okay, guys.
X equals 35 and then you multiply. You do 7 under the 7 and 7 under the 5, 35.
Yeah.
X.
Awesome. Okay, so again, this is the way these have to go here. Remember, the idea is elimination. So you want to get rid of one variable. All right, Shay. Can you tell me what to try next, please?
Well, obviously you have to to get y, you're gonna need to sub the x into 5 for the next question.
Yeah. Okay, so
You want me to continue or no?
no, that's good. We'll sub x equals 5 into 1. It doesn't really matter. Okay. All right, 1. Okay, well, because I was thinking 2.
No,
and I
actually
said 1.
2.
You can solve either one now. Really, does it matter which one? No. I like this one because everything's positive, though. Right? But again, you can use the second one if you really need to. All right, Marco, can you please do that for me, please?
Squared?
Yeah.
I don't know if it's squared.
Okay, go ahead.
Y equals 4.
Oh, okay, so you did this one. I'm going to sub into this one. That's okay, just to keep my notes consistent.
Not right.
Well, but it doesn't equal, though. You have to keep the rest of it in there. Okay, right? So the y stays the same, right? Like the 2y part stays the same. All I'm going to do is that x gets changed with 5, right? So just 3 times 5. Right, so 3 times 5, so this is like 3x plus 2y is 19. The x is 5, the y stays the same, right? So this is just 15 plus 2y is 19.
Oh, yeah.
Then you divide it by 2.
It's 2.
I didn't do that at all.
Okay, we'll work on this for the next one.
I did exactly how I said I was doing it.
That's a different sheet, though. That was a different thing, though. That's a different thing.
That was a different thing, yeah. Can't be.
These are 2 things that are different. So then point of intersections 5 and 2. Okay, I'm going to try a third example here right now that's a little bit more complicated here. Now that one's okay. Okay, I'm going to make things a little bit more difficult here. So this is example 3. Okay, so example 3 is going to say solve using substitution. No, elimination. You also got me to say substitution.
Don't do the same steps though, basically? Because you switch the y's around, so that's only different.
Wait, what? What are you talking about?
The difference between elimination and what we were just doing before.
Substitution.
I'm gonna just give up right now. I don't know.
Okay. Let's take a look at this one here. Okay. Okay. Why is this one different?
One second.
Go ahead, yes. Y and 2y are different. Okay, so what we need to do here is we need to make the y's opposite. Okay, good. So what we're going to do is I need to make this is a negative 2y, which means I need to make a positive 2y in the first equation. How am I going to make a positive 2y in the first equation? So,
2 times the whole line by
very good. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just call this.
1 times.
So what that is, the entire first equation is going to get multiplied by 2. Rowan, I'd like you to be brave. You multiply the entire first equation by 2 and how much you get? Yeah, 10x, good. Okay, I'd like you to keep some variables with there, okay, but you're exactly. Now let me just look, that's good. But just make sure that we get what happened there. I needed a 2y, so in order to get a 2y, to multiply the entire thing by 2. So the 5x got times by 2, the y got times by 2, and the 14 got times by 2.
So you have to write that 1, 2 thing as a times 2 side.
Well, if not, you're going to make a huge set of mistakes here, okay? I'd recommend that you do. Why? Because we're going to get to example 3, which we're going to example 4 if you multiply both. Right, so if you just start doing it again, so you try doing.
Okay.
Can you please add those up, please?
13x equals 26.
Good.
Can I split off?
Yes. Okay, so if you take a look at this question again, you know we did this right. Michael, how did I know this is done right? How's this good? Why am I happy with this step? Yes, more than even before that. Well, the reason is there's nothing here, right? The whole idea of this is called elimination. We need something to be gone. So the something that's gone has to be what? But you're exactly right, though, for your next step, though. We said the 13s could be divided. So divide by 13. Okay. I hit pause for 1 sec. Oh, goodness. Why do I always go to that one? I'm going to close that window. How about? Okay. Okay, so to continuing on here, I have x equals, close that. Continuing on, x equals 2. All right, to get my y. Now again, you can sub into any equation you want. Miranda, why you said you yelled? Why you said yelled to sub it into here? Why does it make sense to sub into the first one?
Because it's all positive.
Yeah. And there's a plain y, right? You could have subbed into this one, but then yeah, there's negatives you have to divide. Yeah, you can still do it. Very good. Okay, so it's going to be 5 times 2. You can do that if you want to as well. You can sub into this one too, just the numbers are bigger then, right? 5 times 2 plus y equals 14.
But that one has 2 in it too, so it wouldn't really.
No, you'll get the same. Okay, good question.
Yeah, I know, but it's just, it would be harder to get by.
Okay, I'll just answer out 1 second. I'll finish this up. Therefore, the POI is what's before. Okay, so Adam said, Mr. Sadler, can I sub it into this? Will the answer be the same? Yes, it will. Just for fun in green, I'm going to sub it.
So the numbers would be higher, but one that's not the exact same.
Yes, you will.
But it already has 2 y's, so to get rid of the 2 in front of the y to get y, you have to enter y. So if you don't have any numbers in front of the y, it's just like one of them has to do it again.
You lost it, but
Wow.
Okay, so to try and translate what you said in math talk, okay, she said everything is bigger by a factor of 2 then. So you'll still get the same answer. 10 times 2 is 20. So 20 plus 2y is 28. Divide everything by 2, you get 2y equals 8, so y equals 4. But you'll still get the same answer. In the same way, I could have subbed it into equation number 2 here, and I would have also got the same answer, right? They're all versions of the same equation. Ben, how you feeling? Long time no see. By the way. I know, I've done enough in my hair. For those on the internet that are wondering, I'm bald. Okay, I'll say it. No, no, the green part. Not yet.
if your wife was to have her kid right now and they called it, what would you actually have to do?
B-Dub would run to
You
the.
can call it.
All right, let's hold. Okay, I'll answer this after the exit. Let's. I don't want it on the internet. I don't want it on the internet. What's going to happen? Think before it says.
You don't want people knowing what you did with your wife. You actually went to the hospital.
Find intersection.
That was fun.
Oh. Okay.
Hey, I thought you said there was going to be 3 examples, not 4.
It's some life experience.
When you have it.
All you're doing.
No, Adam. Okay, so like, this is the door, we like the tables and the back of the table. I was over here, and there was like boxes for the other wall and the
Wow.
Okay, so the first equation here is 4x minus 3y is 21, and then 2x plus y equals 3. I hit pause right now. I'll give you guys a second to try it out yourselves.